Hello, everybody.
What's going on, guys?
What's up?
We're going to do something real special today. We are going to
go outside of Los Angeles
Bam.
to the San Diego area.
We are getting out of town.
Woo!
We're going to go do a little hike down in SD, where I'm from, and we're going to go to
Torrey Pines.
Yes, and
I've never been.
We're going to hike. What's so special about it?
Gorgeous, beautiful, ocean breeze, and it's where you're from, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, everywhere I'm from is pretty special, but what I'm saying is you're going to love it. I know you'll love it, and you guys will probably want to go down there because you're going to be super jealous. All right, bye.
Give me that.
Right?
Even give me that. You bust this. You got what I need.
Hey, Holly.
Hey,
Where are we at, Holly?
we're at Torrey Pines, San Diego area.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's quick little adventure getaway to the Torrey Pines State Nature Reserve. I know that we didn't have a lot of video for this one, and that's because, well, you know, sometimes you just gotta live in the moment. Here are a few things that I wish someone would have told me before I went. Number one is this is a reserve. It is not a park. That means that there are a lot of endangered species of wildlife there, and that the ecosystem is very, very fragile. So make sure that you stick to the paths. Okay. Number two, whatever you pack in, you pack out. If you have that sandwich and have it in a wrapper, put that wrapper in your bag, and then when you get back to the parking lot, throw it in the recycling bin or the trash can. For more info about the Torrey Pines State Nature Reserve, including prices, parking, and more, go to our blog at AmericanExplorer.com, which can be found in the link below, and read all about it. Also, I know that a lot of our stuff is local to LA and Southern California, but that's because we're just like you, and we don't have a lot of time nor a lot of money to just go gallivanting around the world. But that's okay. An American Explorer is about getting out and exploring everywhere. That means your own state and your own city. Do those things that you've always wanted to do or have heard about but have never tried. Just get out, go explore, and we'll see you next time. Hey, Holly.
Hello, how are you, people?
Hey, what's going on? So this week we're going to do something really super fun, and we are going to leave Los Angeles.
Yes, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
We are going to go to Los Angeles.
Holly,
Yes,
I would like to really take you somewhere very special.
is that right?
Yes. Someplace where I grew up, my neighborhood, my hood.
Ah,
Yeah.
La
And-
Jolla.
No! I'm
No?
from Oceanside.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
But never ever packed, and it's fantastic. So I'm super excited.
Let's get our fitness on.
We should do